1 year ago, Rainy Day in Northwest Washington decided to join forces with Groundworks. This is our story.
Rainy Day Basement Systems always wanted to grow, but capital and getting the right people on board was always the challenge.
The big limitations that we were running into before joining Groundworks were lead flow. So we didn't have the leads at the time to support our sales team and the growth that we were trying to achieve.
Joining up with Groundworks, it became immediately apparent that there was a lot more opportunity that Rainy Day just simply couldn't have offered. The resources weren't there, the size and scope wasn't there.
Everything that we learned and heard on merge day of what was coming, Groundworks stood behind that.
We've been able to generate leads like we've never been able to before.
We've gone from having 30 some employees to over 50 employees.
This year we have the potential of one crew exceeding $2 million of total volume install. That would be the first time that that's been done in this branch history.
In the 12 months leading up to the acquisition, we did $6.1 million in total sales. In the 12 months after acquisition, we did $11.9 million, which is 93% growth.
It's been real exciting to watch our CFI team, the sales team, grow.
We have the concrete leveling and piering now, which we kind of always wanted to get into, so now that we're doing it, it's great.
We went from serving about 400 customers per year to now serving over 1,000 customers per year.
We can reach so many more people that need our help and our services.
There was lots of different trainings that we were put in to make sure that we were able to effectively operate under the Groundworks model.
It's really been a joy to say we're legitimately foundation experts. We want to make every home a Groundworks home.
Now that our employees are owners, they really take ownership in the work that they do.
By being an owner of this company, we're able to influence the direction that the company goes.
The foundations have been laid this year for an incredible season going forward.
We doubled in our first year, and we're focused on keeping that momentum going, united together.